Laser alert! Laser alert! Welcome back to Mantic Stringworks. So today I'm going to be showing you what I've been doing with this XTool F1 laser machine. Alright, so I have this maple 5-string jazz bass neck, and if you notice it says Fender, serial number US, jazz bass made in USA. That's Marcus Miller's signature. Well, this isn't a real Fender Marcus Miller jazz bass neck. This one is made in China, and I purchased this bass about 6 years ago, and I've taken it all apart because I want to rebuild it, make a new body, etc. But I've always wanted to mark it so that somebody knew that it was made in China and not a real Fender. And I think the best spot to do that's right here, right on the heel. So I'm going to use the laser engraver and put a made in China logo right there. And then that way, if anyone is ever in doubt, when they remove the neck, they'll see that right away. Alright, so I've just set up the neck underneath the XTool F1 here, and this is cool. This is the cool thing about this laser, is that you can put all kinds of strange shapes, like look at this long neck. It's almost 3 feet long, but yet I can get it what I want in there. So that's a good advantage to this tool. So okay, I've set it up pretty much where I want it. In the software, I put a made in China little text here, so that should transfer, and we'll frame this, and I'll press the framing button here on the side, and then you can see where we've got that. So I've got it centered between the bolt holes. That should look pretty good there. So I think we'll get this going. Now, turn the framing off. So there is some polyurethane, of course, on this neck right at the heel. So I'm going to see how that cuts through the poly. I don't think I'll have to sand it. Might smell a little bit though. We'll see. Hold on a sec. Okay, well, we're all set up now. So my assistant will click the start button and we'll get going. Okay, well, as you can see, that took a few seconds, and that looks pretty good. It's a little fainter than I would like it, and that's probably because of the polyurethane, to be honest, but we can run this through a few more times. And so we'll hit the process again button. I'll show you that. So you just hit process again, press start. I'm going to make sure I get my goggles on because we have the cover up, of course. Alright, give it a go. So actually I can see that it's starting to eat through the polyurethane. So the made-in part is darker than the China part. So let's run that again. Oh, there we go. So, it's getting darker as we go, and we can probably up the power, but that looks pretty good, so I'm kind of happy with that. So at least now this guitar neck is branded made in China, so there's no disputing that this is definitely not a Fender neck. Alright, so here it is. This is a jazz bass pickup cover that I've had laying around for a while, and I thought it'd be fun to put the Fender logo on it. So I just downloaded it offline, made a vector file, and there you go, using the settings in the XTool F1. Also used it for this bolt-on neck plate. I think that's a really cool application for guitar workshops. XTool provided a bunch of sample materials, and one of them is this slate coaster. So that's pretty cool if you want to put your logo, your name, or something on there. So it works for slate, metal, wood, lots of items. You can do the same thing for this wood coaster, so you can engrave this as well. How about a leather patch? I thought this was pretty cool because it burned through the leather and you can see that it's silver underneath. I think it had some layers in there, or it could be the lasers changed the color. You can also do it on a tumbler, but not too wide because of the curve, but you can see the outline when I framed it. This turned out well. So let me know if I should get into the merch game. Would you like a Mantic Stringworks tumbler? I didn't even know metal business cards existed. So these turn out really cool. So thanks for watching.